Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI, and today I want to share with you a portable water filtration system. Now, it's very simple to use and very useful. All you got to do is unscrew the bottom as so, and it reveals a ceramic filter. This thing is going to purify and clean your water. So let me show you how it works. You want to make sure you screw it very tightly, as so, and then we're going to use tap water and convert it into drinking water. So let's say we open up the faucet, fill up your reservoir. So we're going to attach these hoses to the bottom of the filter, as so. And this is our tap water right here. So we're going to go ahead and drop it into the container. That's for tap water. And then the other one is going to go on top, and this one's going to be going into your water reservoir that you're going to be used for drinking, as so. And all we got to do now is pump. And the water is going to go through the ceramic filter into your drinking cup. Just like that. So you took tap water, went through the filter, and convert it into drinking water. Really good. And that's my point of view.